Good morning. Welcome to Vibrant Authentic Living. This is Nandi, and you're watching Lime Water in the Morning with Nandi. So, as usual, I'm going to be sipping on my lime water and chatting with you about whatever. So, today is Wednesday, and I'm just about to break my fast. So, for the past few weeks, I've been doing my dry fast every 2 days per week, typically on a Monday and a Tuesday. So for those of you who don't know what dry fasting is, that is when you just have nothing, not even water. So I have been fasting for many years. Sometimes I do 21-day water fast or coconut water fast, anywhere from 1 week, 2 week, 3 weeks on water or coconut water. And for the last few years, I've also been including dry fasting. Now, dry fasting, for those who are in the fasting world, realm, dry fasting is considered the most powerful of all the fasts. Hey, Andrea. Hi, baby girl. Welcome. You made it this morning. Right, so dry fasting is considered the most powerful of all the fasts. More powerful than water fasting, more powerful than coconut water fasting. Some persons even go on a fruit juice fast, which is not technically a fast because fasting would require you to abstain from all food. So really, the water fasting and the dry fasting are the true fast. So for the past few weeks, I've been dry fasting on a Monday and a Tuesday. And that's why sometimes when I'm doing my lime water in the morning, you don't see me sipping on the lime water because I'm not allowed to have anything. But this morning, now being Wednesday morning, I'm going to break my dry fast with my lime water. So as usual, I have my bottle of spring water. So this is pure spring water from our beloved Blue Mountains. Um, I also just want to show you my herbal teas that I have brewing. So these will go to make my juices, which I'll be doing in just a bit after I complete my lime water. After I wrap up this show, I'll go to this. So this is guinea hen weed and blue vervain. And this one, so you notice I have them in my huge glass jars. So this is graviola, more commonly known to us in Jamaica as soursop leaf. And I also have peppermint, and I have cascara sagrada. So this is what is going to go in my morning juice. So I use the teas as a base, kind of like how you would use a broth when you're making soup. So I use the tea as a base, and then I add the fruit juices. The reason why I'm using the cascara sagrada, it stimulates bowel movement, so it cleans the intestines. It's one of those really powerful but gentle herbs for freeing up the digestive tract. Because I've been fasting, it's very important to clean the digestive tract because sometimes when you fast, you don't have a bowel movement during the fast, which is natural, right? That's normal. But after the fast, you want to get things going again, and the cascara sagrada is excellent for that. So I have my limes, and I usually use anywhere from one to even 3 or 4 limes. So some persons might say that that's too much, but I'm quite used to that. I love the astringent property of the limes, and so I will have several. So I'm squeezing my limes. And these are big. See, these are huge, succulent limes. I always have to grin when I'm holding things up to the screen because I can never figure out which way to go, left or right. I'm getting lots of juice from these limes. You can hear the juice running out, right, guys? Now I don't know if, well, let me rinse my hands. Alright, so this is the amount of juice that I got from 2 limes. So you can imagine how big and succulent they were. And I'm going to add now my spring water, which is okay. So I'm going to add my spring water, and this is the first thing I am swallowing in over 2 days, because I start my dry fast on Sunday night and then I break it on a Wednesday morning. So this is the first thing going into my tummy in over 2 days. So cheers. So do you have anything you want to talk about this morning? Remember, on this show, we can talk about anything you wake up with on your mind. For some persons, depending on where you are, it's not morning for you. In Jamaica now, it's 7 minutes to 5 in the morning. All right, so wherever you are tuning in, if you have something on your mind, or if you want to ask me about my lifestyle in terms of juicing, fasting, meditation, remember on this channel we focus on all of those mentioned above, right? So eating lots of fruits, making your fruit juices, making your herbal teas, as well as meditating, having your vision boards. If you want to ask me anything about how to make a vision board and how to write affirmations, I can help you in writing your affirmations. I have a vision board session 3 times per day. Each session takes probably a half an hour. So I have specific songs that I sing. I have affirmations that I say while looking at the vision board. And this has certainly helped me in my life in terms of achieving my goals and staying focused. So if you need help with how to create the vision board, and if you need help in writing your affirmations, I'll certainly be willing to help you with those as well. You can always reach out to me, or you can drop a message in the comment section and I'll gladly respond. The lime juice also, in terms of stimulating the digestive tract, and this is one of the reasons why persons take the lime juice, because it's a stimulant for the digestive tract. And that is also why it is recommended that you have the lime water first thing in the morning. Some persons prefer to have the lime water warm or even hot like a tea. I prefer it just at regular temperature. So you can hear my voice, the astringent power of the lime. So it's actually clearing away any mucus because the fast within it, the fast of itself clears mucus from the system. It frees up the mucus, and the astringent power of the lime water will help now to just clear that mucus away. So from your sinuses, nasal cavity, all the way to the back of your throat, you can feel whatever mucus is there, because mucus is naturally produced in the body. And if we live in environments that have allergens, for example, or if we have been eating junk, as we often do, these trigger mucus reaction in the body. And you don't want that mucus, sorry, you don't want that mucus to stay there and harden, whether in the sinuses or in the lungs or wherever else in the body. The mucus can stay and harden, and that is going to lead to issues like tumors and so on. So you don't want that. So you want to be periodically shaking that loose and clearing it away, and this is absolutely beneficial for that. Okay, so I have officially broken my fast. I'm going to make my juices now and then do my laps. When I get back, I'll have my tea. There's a tea that I drink for strengthening the female reproductive organs. So that tea would consist of the guinea hen weed, the blue vervain. It might have donquay. It might have some chasteberries, which help to regulate the hormones, and a number of other herbs. So depending on what I have at the time, I might do a combination anywhere from 3 or 4 or even 5 herbs. So I'll have that when I get back from my laps, and then I'll start my day, wait a while, and then I have breakfast. All right, so thank you for joining me this morning, and I'll see you again tomorrow morning and all the mornings after that. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions, and I'll certainly get back to you. So this is Nandi. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so now and share the videos so that other persons can benefit and come on board to have a healthy life, healthy lifestyle, eating the right foods and doing the right things. So take care.